Hi, I'm back with another video of installing a cruise control unit on a BMW X5 E70 without uh, uh, manufacturer pre-installed cruise control. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the negative terminal of the battery. It's mandatory if you are doing something with the electronics. So here we are using 10mm socket to remove it. Then you have to slide it in a flathead to remove the airbags, and you can feel the spring-like tension whenever you press it in. Make sure it is sidewise and you can feel the spring. Just push it in and the airbag will pop out. Only 2 hooks are there for the airbag, so you don't have to worry much about the hooks and it will not break. From both sides, you might have to do it like 1 or 2 times to get it out properly, and once you are aligned properly, you can just pull it up. In this video I did not remove the airbag, but it's better to remove the airbag connectors. This is the main connector, and this one for the ground, and that one is the other ground, which you have to use a Torx 10mm. But it's better to remove the airbag connector from the airbag itself, so that you don't have to hold this airbag on hand. Right, I'm gonna replace the steering wheel as well because it's nasty. I got another steering wheel from the junkyard when I bought the cruise control unit itself. So it's time to remove the bolts. It's 16mm bolt, and this connector is for the steering wheel. For your information, the steering wheel is also plug and play, so no coding required for that. Just insert a flathead and pull it up. That's it. You might have to shake a bit, but you can take it out. Now 16mm box to take the steering wheel out. Got the bolt out. Just pull it, and that's it about the steering wheel. Now you're gonna remove the cover and then remove the unit for the lights and things like that, which we will install the new one, which I bought from the junkyard. So the plastic cover should be just pull up and should come out. Just flip it out with a flathead, and I got it out. So this is the cover. One side, this one for the upper part. I think it's better to remove the dog's bit and then take it out. So the dog bit is T20. I can see there are only 4 to be taken out. This is the connector that has to be disconnected. And it should come out just like this. One more connector. I'll show you in this one. So this is the one connector which has to be pressed and then slide it back, just like this. Got it? So this is one connector to be removed, and the other connector, you can see there is a latch in here. This one, you just press that and pull it up. So these are the two connectors other than the one that has to be removed. All right, we're gonna do that on this one. You cannot see because it's behind. The one that we disconnected from here was for the steering adjuster, which comes in here. So that's it. So I have disconnected both the connectors. So just taking it out. So this one is the new one, and hopefully it will fit in properly and everything should be good. It's in place. Now we have to make this connector, this slot plugged in. You hear the click, and this one will be just like this, and we can slide it in to lock it properly, like this. Okay, so I'm gonna do it from behind. Just put it in this slot. So this is how it should be aligned, like it's unlocked position and it has been fully in. You can see there is no gap between the clip and the body, and we should just pull it up so that it gets locked completely. Make sure it doesn't come out. So that's it, how it gets locked. And the other one, as I told you, just push it in and it's in place. Other connector, which is for the steering adjustment, up, down, and top, down. That's it. So I'm gonna put the steering level switch back. I think I have to use the one that came with the junkyard one because the cutting on the plastic is different. See that? So I have to use the new one itself. This is the connector, just plug it in. It will go only in one way. So it's time to install all the bolts and the torque sticks. Four T20 torque screws. This doesn't have a magnet. sure you hold in position before you tighten it. This doesn't look aligned. Thread is going wrong direction, I think. I can make sure alignment is correct. Okay, so that's it. So this is the steering wheel that I'm gonna replace. This was not the original one, so this will go in here, as you know, the cutting in this one. So this line has to get aligned with this one to this one. It should be aligned. It's aligned to the line on the inner part. This one with this one. Hope it's clear. Now put in the bolts. There are two ways to install it. Either you hold on the airbag and put the Torx 10 screw to this particular slot, or you can remove the connector by inserting a flathead in here, tap it up, and you can remove the airbag connectors, whichever is easy for you. I'll try without removing the connector. If it doesn't work, then I have to remove the connector itself. Yes, we are done. Now it's time for connecting the battery back. So I have installed the cruise control unit here. As you can see, this one is a cruise control lever. I did not do any coding, nothing like that. and surprisingly my cruise control is working without any coding. Only thing is that you can see the 4x4 because I have changed the entire module, but I'm gonna make it in cruise control. Okay, might be able to see the speed stays. I'm not putting my leg in acceleration, still it's going. I'm just gonna go to a bump to see if it breaks or so gentlemen, it's just plug and play, nothing else. Everything is coded in the system, and this is E70 2011 model, and it has been made during the manufacturing date is October 2010.